Well, hello, my lovelies. It is beautiful out here. I feel like spring weather. We're almost there, though. There's enough for all you guys. You guys don't be fighting. Temper. You guys stop fighting. I'll bring more food down to you guys. I promise. Okay? Yes. I know you guys, the noises bother you guys too. At times. I get it. Wow. I'm definitely gonna be bringing some more food out for you guys. I got some more food upstairs for you guys, so you should not be fighting over food. Okay? Yes, I know you guys hear me. Well. Okay, you guys, enjoy.